Okay, hi everybody, this is Kahina Ferreira from Master Plan Angola, and I'm here with my friend and architect Salvador Rivas that comes from Mexico City. We are here in Chicago, and I was just asking about him. We just did the trip to the architecture's choice around the city with the riverboat, and we were just asking how is the new mindset after the Architecture Marketing Institute Sunshine Island Express? Well, how do you feel about it now?
Well, thanks, Kahina. It's great to be here and great to meet you. I mean, first of all, in person. And it's just basically it has changed completely. You know, in terms of we're always thinking that architects, even from school days, we have to really spend time, you know, working, just not being able to, you know, look ahead in terms of, you know, plans for the future, how we can provide better services to our clients, to work together, actually, to collaborate even more. So this really opens up new possibilities, new opportunities, and I would like to thank, Architects Marketing Institute and the coaches and the team and all our colleagues who basically make this possible. So it's really a new lease of life for architecture and architects.
Yeah, and talking about the positioning marketing, as we just did here with the Architecture's Choice, what's your new positioning and what's your new title? Are you gonna go Salvador Rivas, the best architect in Mexico City? What's the best? What's gonna be like?
I think in general terms, because I'm based in Mexico City, but very much been in different parts, before. It's really opening up new opportunities. I'm very much interested in sustainability and adaptable architecture in general terms, and I think it's really about opening, again, new opportunities, new markets, and it also, so it's really I'm thinking international in general terms, so
right.
Because I very much enjoy working with people from all over the world, visiting different places. So I think I'm trying to find my way around.
All right. So confidence is up high.
Yeah, very much so.
All right.
It has to be.
It has to be. There you go.
That's the only way forward.
And this is me, Kahina Ferreira. We're signing out. See you next time.
Great. Thank you, everyone. Thanks.